This is Jim at freechartvideos.com. This is a real quick midday update. It is 10:45 on December 2nd, 2010. Don't take my word for anything. This video is for educational purposes only, blah, blah, blah. I'm not a licensed professional, just a guy that draws lines on charts. Just want you to be on the watch for something. Okay, check this out. First off, another strong day today. I want you to remember that the S&P was in this long-term channel for 9 weeks. It broke down, and you know from watching some of my other videos, there's a strong tendency for there to be a back test on a broken trend channel. And today, if we were to get that back test, I'm not saying that that's where things would reverse and then come back down and we get the crash that the bears have been predicting. What I'm saying is, if we get that back test today, expect resistance. That might be a spot that you decide to lighten up. That's what I'm going to do. I've already sold one thing that hit resistance this morning. I will tell you that real estate in the banks, looking at DRN and FAS, do not show this kind of resistance, but I believe maybe some of the other sectors do, and that's what we may run into sometime today. So if we look at a 10-minute chart, you can see that here's the bottom side of that channel that had been running up that broke back here, and we're getting very close to it. This line right here is the previous high set around 1226. So I'm thinking for two reasons this area in the mid 1220s should turn prices back at least temporarily. Additionally, if we look at the pattern that we just came out of, this consolidation, measure the height of that, add that on to the top line that we are now above, everything kind of points to this right here, 1224. Now, I'll tell you this, if the markets get over that, it will likely be an explosive move. So I'm expecting resistance here. This has been a very strong move all the way from the low 1180s to where we are today at 1216 and change. So anyway, this is just a midday update, and don't forget, when you get a chance, support what I do with your traffic and your visits at freechartvideos.com, where we use time-honored techniques to understand modern markets.